Good morning, my dear student. Today we start chapter number 8, Earthquake. So we start this chapter with the definition of earthquake. A shock or series of shocks due to a sudden movement of crystal rocks generate as a point known as seismic focus within the crust or mantle is called earthquake. Now I tell you a very important point about the earthquake. Name the instrument which is measure the earthquake. Look at the screen. That is the seismograph. The wave generated by an earthquake or recorded by an instrument is called seismograph or seismometer. The science of earthquake is known as seismology, and the point where the shock waves, it means seismic waves, reach the surface is termed as epicenter. It is directly above the focus point, and the effect of an earthquake are greater if its seismic focus lies near the surface of the earth. So let's come to the point second, causes of earthquake. First cause is volcanic eruption, and the second cause is folding and fault. And number third is plate tectonics. Number 4 is anthropogenic factors. Now I tell you consequences of earthquake, type of damages. So firstly I tell you building collapse. The means of that people can be trapped in collapse buildings or under rubble that collapse into the street. This is the type of damage that lead to the burst constant area. And the second is building knocked off their foundation. Building that can otherwise withstand of quake can be knocked off their foundation and severely damages. This type of damage can be largely prevented by bolting the frame severally to the foundation, so it will remain in place. Number 3, landslide. This can be in the form of a landslide down a hill of soils that can cause surf settling of the ground. Earthquake result into landslide which damage the human settlement and disturb the transport system. Number 4 is loss of property. Earthquake inflict great damage of buildings, roads, railway, dams, bridge, etc. An earthquake of Golkop in Turkey on August 17, 1999 killed about 17,000 people and damaged millions in property. Number 5 is loss of human lives. There has been earthquake of a great magnitude in the densely populated area of the world. It has been estimated that on an average about 15,000 people are killed every year by earthquake. Now I tell you seismic sea waves. It means tsunami. The seismic waves traveling through the oceans and sea water result into high sea waves which are known as tsunami. Now I tell you constructive effects of earthquake. Number 1 is earthquake may result in fissure opening causing a geyser or hot spring which are useful for the medicinal point of view. A second is that sometime earthquake result in a formation of a coastal area and changing the coastal forms. Now I tell you earthquake forecasting. Making of forecast about the occurrence of an earthquake in a region. The Chinese on the basis of a seismography study of animals' behavior. And you know that the Chinese seismologists provided a list of animals' behavior before earthquakes, like cattle refused to enter the corals and duck refused to enter the water and the fish jump out of water. These are the examples of animals' behavior which prove that the different type of natural disaster. So I hope this chapter is helpful for you. Thank you so much.